Alright guys, we're doing another trade recap today. Now, I probably shouldn't have traded today. I woke up and I looked at the news and I said, probably not a good day to trade, but I still did it anyway. But you can see here we had consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. So, beside that, my price targets for the day was these 4-hour lows and daily lows and this 4-hour high. Now, originally, I was bullish, or sorry, I was bearish. I'll show you guys why. So, price, when I got on the chart, price looked like it was coming up toward this order block. So I wanted to see price come in and then dump. Now, obviously, guys, and it was also in a heavy discount. Now this was on the hourly, so I scaled down to the 15-minute. And you guys can see price came into this 15-minute order block. And I thought it was going to sweep this 15-minute liquidity. So I was looking for a short in here. So I scaled down to the 5-minute. And I noticed that it wasn't really looking like a liquidity sweep. I didn't enter off this. So I just put that there to see what would happen, but I didn't enter off that. However, I did enter a long off of I think it was off the 1-minute. Okay, I did enter a long off of this inverse fair value gap. Now, obviously, you can see this one held, and we actually got stopped out. So I thought price was going to reverse positions here, but I didn't. And also this news candle swept this liquidity. You can see it on the 5-minute as well. Swept this liquidity, maybe on the 15-minute. Yeah, on the 15-minute too. So that's why I switched my bias to long. And obviously after that, you can see we fill this 5-minute gap, which I should have waited on the 5-minute. That was my fault. And, we learn from next time. But yeah, we got stopped out of the first trade. And then after that, I thought price was going to switch and take out this low. And I was looking for a short somewhere in here. Now, I wanted this gap to get filled, but it didn't. So I actually entered off of, honestly, I don't even know why I entered this, to be honest with you. I should never have entered this. But yeah, honestly, really not that great of a day today for us. But, we live, we learn. That's essentially why I took this long. This long, I think, was pretty self-explanatory. This short was just, honestly, just gambling. Because I really thought price would come take out the slow and move higher. Obviously, that didn't happen. Once again, all of our price targets did actually get hit for the day. And had we stayed in our position, or maybe looked for a better execution, maybe we could have got something. But unfortunately, we got stopped out of both trades, and we're down about, I think, 800 on the day. So not that great of a day for us today, but it is what it is. I'll show you guys the stats. Now we're still up 60. However, we have to keep in mind the minimum loss or the maximum loss limit, so we can only lose about 1,100 more, which kind of 1,200 more, which kind of sucks, but you can see now our average losing trade is obviously less than our average winning trade, which is not, honestly, that's not a good thing. But you guys can see here our best trade and our worst trade. So I'm not exactly sure how that lines up. I guess we've taken smaller scalping winning trades versus losing trades. I'm not exactly sure though. But yeah, you guys can see here, what it's looking like. But I'll keep you guys updated. And once again, you guys can see most of our trades that are losers are our big winners are less than 15 seconds and 10 to 30 minutes. Everything else in between is mostly losers. So here's the monthly stats. That's it for this week. We're up 140 on the week, but we're down in total. I mean, we're up at 60 in total, but the maximum loss limit is going to kind of fuck us over. But regardless, we'll see what happens for the rest of the month, and I'll keep you guys updated.